Multi-tool Trac, electric power for sustainable soil care. Sparked by farmers. The most innovative tractor in decades, made to match farmers' needs. 5 years ago, 7 Dutch arable farmers decided they wanted a tractor that would help them preserve soil quality for better revenue. Multi-tool Trac meets all farmers' requirements and performs every kind of land work. It reduces the total cost of ownership dramatically. Multi-tool Trac is the first electric tractor in the world. 4 electric wheel motors provide high torque and great traction. You can use energy from your own wind turbines or solar cells to power your tractor. Do you want healthier soil, better revenue, and a lower diesel consumption? A tractor that better serves your needs now and in the future? Multi-tool Trac is made for you. Normally, farmers drive across their fields at random. This causes a lot of soil compaction. Controlled traffic farming can solve this problem. Controlled traffic farming means driving your machines on the same wide tracks always. This results in less trafficked area, healthier soil, lower costs, and better yields. CTF on a 3-meter system is the best combination of economic scale and logistic capacity. To drive home safely, you simply adjust the track width. Multi-tool Trac, electric power for sustainable soil care.